Welcome back to another episode of The Mortgage Musketeer, where today we're going to be talking about the cost of waiting. All right, so something that I'm seeing right now, especially where everybody's concerned about where the interest rates are, is people are sitting on the sidelines, right? And they're thinking that they're going to wait to buy a home because they're waiting for interest rates to go down. That is the wrong answer, because what we're really suffering from more than interest rates is a lack of inventory. So it is economics 101. So when you have a lack of inventory, you have a higher demand because people still want to buy. Even though there's some people sitting on the sidelines, there are other people who really want to buy a house. So if you have more people wanting to buy a house than you actually have houses on the market, now you have supply and demand. Now we're back into that scenario where everybody's fighting for the same house. It's going to continue to increase the home sales price, right? So the value of homes is going to continue to go up. It's going to continue to appreciate. So if you just said, hey, it's too expensive for me right now to buy a home, I'm going to wait for interest rates to go down based on the last video that I just did. We know that we're predicting rates to go back down again. But if you do that, then what's going to happen is that $300,000 house is going to be $350,000 house. So that lower interest rate is absolutely negated by the fact that that same house that you could have bought today is going to be $25,000 to $50,000 more expensive by the time you get off the fence and decide to buy. So buy now, because the benefit of buying now is that when interest rates do go down, you can simply refinance. So you're going to gain the increase from supply and demand in the housing market. So your house is going to be worth more. So your loan to value will be much greater. So you can, if you didn't put a whole lot down, you can potentially get rid of mortgage insurance when you do refinance. There's so many benefits to purchasing now while the economy allows you to do so versus later when maybe you don't have the ability to, because we still have no houses. Because the builders aren't building houses, and they're definitely not building starter houses. So that means that everybody's trying to get into the same houses, which means if everybody wants the same houses, that means that there's just a supply issue. So it's going to be a feeding frenzy. Buy today. Refinance tomorrow when the rates drop. It's that simple. All right. Quick video. Just want to share that with you. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. And until next time, it's all for one and one for all.